Hello everybody, welcome back to the video. Today I just Smash and I was just gonna see if I could get like a few clips in, like something that would rare happen, who knows. But I guess I can show you all my characters real quick. So I basically have like the whole first style. Yeah. And then I have Demon, Valkyrie, and Samurai. I'm gonna get like this whole collection maybe. And then I have Wrath and Hero. I didn't know it's Wrath. Yeah, let's go. Alright, I already chose a target for this video. And it's that dummy. It'll be that arrow guy that you see right there. Yeah. First, I want combo. Dude, I'm building that. Dang. Alright, bro. Dude, dude, I just got the perfect blade volley for that. No, what do you think you're going? My Q. Dude, I never mind, sorry. Yo, I actually got it, W. It's time! Get over here! Oh, it's my target, it's my target. Dude. Two. Now who is this orangutan? Sorry if I was racist. I mean, I don't think that was racist, but yeah. I mean, his username is Magnezon, so yeah. First, I gotta clutch in, buddy. Oh, I feel different. Okay. Okay. Clutched. Dude, I'm literally the clutch master. Blade volley, get over there. Okay, I missed, but okay. That went out of a different person. No, Hero, please. Hero, you missed, and you're such a spammer for being your most characteristic spammer. Hero Addict, Justice Flash. Thank you, Boxer. Now I have to kill you. Actually, let's kill my target real quick. Die. Yo, dude, wait, what? Alright, bro. I really don't know what happened. Oh, yeah. Buddy, you're not comboing me. What? No! That's the worst time, bro. Like, every time. Come on, dude. To be honest, I think my best character would be Demon. Wrath costs a lot, but the cost is not, like, for the meant if it's good or not. Like, Demon might be my main, I got, like, a bunch of combos with that. Yeah, you should know. I'm gonna reset, I guess. Whee! Dude, why can I not? Let's see. I'm so sorry that I moaned, bro. Okay, I guess we can just use Demon. I guess I can show you a Demon combo for this video, I guess. Dude, that's wrong. Alright. So basically, I would dash 3 M1, million stabs, and then run back with a jackpot, then slice with 3 M1s, and then a high time, and yeah. So let's go find the dummy to show you guys. Yeah. Okay, dude, there it is. Cause alright, bro, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Bam, bam. What? That was wrong. Wait, I did the combo wrong. Oh my god. They make me mad. Dude, why is everything so freaking laggy? Alright, bro. Let's do this. So, bam. What? Dude, why am I so laggy? And job. Million stabs. And then that was supposed to hit, and then you would just do a high time. What is going on with my game? I think that's why I can't do the combo. One last time. Bam. What? Oh, dude, I did this, bro. That's why. So it shoots like in the center. All right, got it. Two. All right, one last combo. Konnichiwa. Wait, let me see. That makes sense. Oh wait, yo, wait. Let me try something. So dash, BM1, storm jump, million stabs, bam, get close. Dude, I mean, can that be a combo too, right? Like, yeah. But if you're versing a Kraken, it needs to be a spike. Like, so this is a spike. You throw it down into the void, like, not, straight. Okay, bro. Let's do this combo one last time. This time I'm not failing. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. Dash. Oh. Spike. Okay. Well, that was like 5-10. Wait, hold up. Okay, first of all, like, why is that dying? Die! Alright, guys, I think I might end the video. Just first, I want to give you that level up mix, so yeah. Oh, bro, watch me whip! Okay, dude, now that's done. Oh, got the perfect. Sorry, dude. But I need this for the soundtrack. Clean next, dude. Yo, bro, what do you think you're going? Dang it, I thought I had that much. Dude, I need to kill someone. Alright, if I don't kill someone in the next 10 seconds, I literally have to end the video. Come on. 10, 9. What? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo. Dude, okay. I'm not counting down. Bro, I'm getting a kill and no one's stopping me, bro. No, you can't do this. Bro, no, bro. Dude, oh, shoot, bro. I actually came clutch. Dude, I'm killing this guy. I'm sorry, Mr. Sane Mode. Oh, dude, that was Magazon, right? Oh, no. Dude, come on. This video must earn. Dude, who stopped my million stab, bro? No more yapping. It's time to get to the hard part. Who dies now? Well, I guess I do. But, bro, if I fall, I'll end the video. Dude, no, bro. Why? Yes? Yes? No! You freaking run! Wait. Oh! Okay. Actually, never mind. Sorry, Rug. But yeah, Ricky still.